brake pakai pelan pakai koi nana
Oh, re.
koi nana clutch.
Koi na. Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm here with Brother Adiba. You know what? Yes, welcome back to my channel once again. It's been like more than a week or almost a month I haven't vlogged, but I got the energy to vlog again because it's time for me to come back. Like, seriously, I need to come back. So I'm here today, and I just want to tell you. So I will be learning how to drive. Like this will be my second time. The first day I drove like only for 30 minutes or something. So I will try again today. Let's see my driving skill if I could learn or not today. Stay tuned, guys. This is nice, guys. We are heading to the ground where we could practice.
Class के समय ना जैसे बैक क्लास हाँ आई गियर का
One ahead.
क्लास को आई ना ब्रेक पड़ेगा
Brake.
ब्रेक नहीं
Brake time I.
ब्रेक की ना
It's going. Kau cakap lepas dia dah kak.
tak kami atas
Lepas dah dah.
straight to the left pakai left
Pakai dia lama.
tak
Cute.
straight to
Lepas dah mah.
tak straight to side
Apa kita kau? Accelerator time lah mah. Pakai aku dia cina.
Ketil Iko ay ko na sa'yo pakai tu
Kali pala adi banget eh.
taga tu koi na sa'yo nang telo taga tu sa'yo koi na
Right tadi ama.
left na right
Keren zina ke sah?
taga tu right
Right ba ako?
left taga tu sa'yo na sa'yo koi nang talo sa'yo
Saya dah.
kering kiri
Oh.
kelas aja pak
Brake time ah.
brake pakai pelan pakai koi nana
Oh, re.
koi nana clutch
Koi na. Adi. Limit tu tadi koi.
Accelerator pakai itu koi nana
Kau pakai apa?
pakai
Sementara kamu tak.
tahu tu koi nana
Tuh.
koi
Kali papa ichi mau makan.
So camera video terima ada vlog
Oh ha, yes, better do.
takat lama kata yang left
Alam mama.
left
Kering pun nama baca.
oh kok kena so straight kelas aja pak brake kelas aja pak brake kelas aja lah kau ya brake lah kau
Tu angkat.
kelas pakai kau
Kelas mah. Brake tu mah. Brake tu ada benda.
pakai mana tu motor itu
Pakai mama kan kelas.
pakai mana
Ni sang kesini kan eh. Hello, let's go again.
lady kau kena accelerator kau kena
Saya dah.
yes Mina left
Oh, kering. Left mah.
right takat so enak
Sawai lama.
Matai nama kereta tension pisau kau yang negara free tu kau
Gari sawai he.
takat tu
Sawai dulu.
so kelas aja kau tu brake kan saya benar kelas na brake kan so itu brake kelas saya benar
Brake lepas nama.
lu pakai tu
Driving kot anak ini dia kira dia dosa. Okay, so I drove for 10 to 15 minutes and we're going to park the car here and we will be going to Arabilia. Okay, it's a very beautiful place. We're going to watch the sunset. It's somewhere 6 p.m. now. Yeah, so we'll see you there. It's a beautiful place. I've been there like many times, but I still want to go. It's a very beautiful place. So yeah, we're in the parking zone. Let me show. It's like a movie scene. guys, this is the mini sunflower. So beautiful in the street, you know. Like here is indigo of this. Just park the car there, and we'll be walking around. Oh, the sky is so beautiful. Hey, look at me, I'm like auntie. Well, with so many things on my hand. 어디 난 미끌가자. See the sunflowers back. Look at this guys, so beautiful, you know, with the sunflower and the sunset. So hi guys, I just returned from my driving class like for 10 to 15 minutes. We were supposed to go to Aravalli Park, which is very great, famous in Gurgaon, but we didn't because it was getting dark, and if we go it's the best for sunset. So it was getting like sunset, so we didn't go aboard the plane and return back, and that's what I get it groceries shopping, and I'll take rest for a while. So thank you so much guys for watching till the very end. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.